Welcome back to Gaming with Yusuf Rocks 123. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download WWE 2K, and let's get going. Okay, wait guys. Oh guys, I'm back. Now let's get going. Free, let's go. You could download anything you want from this VShare app. Now we have to wait. Guys, it's installed now. Then you just go to security and unknown sources and you tap it, and we go. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Let's see if it works. Okay, it worked guys, now let's go. Look guys, here it is how it's gone now, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my Gaming with Yusuf Rocks 123 and bye.